Hello everyone, and welcome back to Cardano Coin, where we publish the most recent Cardano news. Please make sure to subscribe and leave a like to support our channel. It only takes 3 seconds of your life. Coinbase, the world's largest trading platform, has faced a number of challenges, including a shelf offering and a new bankruptcy notification that might put customers' funds at danger. The present bear market has exacerbated the problem. In the midst of this, Coinbase has disclosed something startling regarding Cardano, which will aid in resolving the current problem. What impact does this have on existing and prospective investors? So, let's watch the video and learn more about this. As you are surely aware, the global crypto market value has decreased by around 1.3 trillion, while traditional markets are also collapsing globally. Billions of dollars in crypto investors' money has already been wiped out in the market crisis over the previous few days. It is critical to comprehend the psychology of such situations. When investments lose value, investors automatically seek out haven assets, which are normally USD, but everyone racing to exit at once creates a liquidity crisis when the number of sellers outnumbers the number of buyers, further pushing down prices. The broad sell-off, combined with a large deleveraging event, culminated in a frantic scramble for cash. And when investors can't sell what they want, they sell anything they can. The issue has had an impact on cryptocurrencies and cryptocurrency exchanges. Coinbase, a huge trading platform with over 98 million users and assets over $256 billion, was not left out. Coinbase is probably already ringing a bell in your ears. Because of his high-profile investors and highly regulated location in San Francisco, it is a reputable Bitcoin exchange and broker. Despite storing a large amount of customer assets that may attract hackers, the exchange has never been hacked. This demonstrates that Coinbase performs an excellent job of keeping consumer assets secure on the platform. However, in order to prevent hackers from infecting users, the user must give up some privacy and control over their digital assets. It is also recognized for immediately freezing consumer accounts when anything suspect is discovered. Cardano is one among the top 10 most valuable cryptocurrencies in terms of market capitalization, which is proof of stake. Blockchain is intended to be the next generation evolution of Ethereum, with the goal of being more adaptable, sustainable, and scalable. Cardano's outstanding characteristics allow it to be staked on Coinbase, the world's largest Bitcoin exchange and broker, which has ambitions to extend staking offers and scale the scaling portfolio this year. ADA, like any other native cryptocurrency, may be purchased or sold on Coinbase and is available in all Coinbase-enabled areas. Cardano was released in October of 2017. It was originally traded on the Bittrex market, then on Cryptopia. Both exchanges were later hacked and closed, underscoring the significance of investing in any crypto asset on well-regulated crypto exchanges. Coinbase has shown to be a reliable alternative throughout the years. Individuals may formally bet Cardano in their own VA delegating staking service. This procedure is frequently perplexing and difficult. Using Coinbase, any retail user may actively engage in the Cardano network and receive rewards in a simple and safe manner. The underlying return rate is determined by the number of staking players on the Cardano network, and the return is distributed to clients minus a commission by Coinbase. The current crypto market decline has caused Coinbase to put its ambitions to treble its staff this year on hold. The business announced that it was slowing down the recruiting rate to guarantee that they are in the greatest position to prosper through and after the market downturn. Coinbase said in an official blog post on May 17 that it intends to treble its size this year. Given the present market conditions, we believe it is appropriate to delay hiring and review our personnel needs in relation to our top priority business goals. He also noted that the current slowdown will compel him to be more rigorous in his prioritizing. In comparison to prior years, the current crypto bear market has resulted in a significant decrease in multi-transacting customers transferring value and assets on the Coinbase platform. This resulted in a major sell-off upon the publication of 2022 profits. 2022 sales was a significant disappointment, and the business lost $430 million for the quarter, with both retail and institutional revenue dropping more than 50%. Because the SEC compels all corporations holding crypto assets to reflect any losses when they fall below their cost basis, lower crypto values resulted in a $250 million impairment charge. Coinbase lost $172 million per quarter, excluding impairment charges. Due to the difficulty of low trade volume, the exchange has reduced its expectations for 2022. In a letter to clients, Patrick O'Shaughnessy, an analyst who covers Coinbase for Raymond James, noted that there is a continuing argument over whether the crypto market was one of his normal persons or whether it was the post-pandemic bubble. While management is confident in the former, we assume there is some validity to the latter, especially with Bitcoin failing to act as an inflation hedge thus far with 2020 to come. Speaking further, O'Shaughnessy stated, adding the business anticipates Coinbase will continue to lose money in the next quarters and that the negatives of greater crypto regulation in the future would exceed the positives. Instead, government officials made it plain that regulation was on the way. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen stated in April that greater government control is required in the embryonic industry and that the Treasury will collaborate with the White House and other agencies over the next 6 months to prepare studies and recommendations on digital currency. Our regulatory structure should be intended to foster responsible innovation while controlling risks, particularly those that threaten the financial system and economy, according to Yellen. Coinbase, on the other hand, declared in a letter to shareholders that it believes the present market conditions are not permanent. It maintains a long-term perspective while emphasizing product development. Also, Coinbase holiday shelf registration with the SEC and the possibility of selling stock to stay afloat. On Twitter, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong disputed that the firm is in danger of going bankrupt, so perhaps the company has enough funds to go through the crypto bear market. In the event of bankruptcy, there are various issues concerning Coinbase's policy on crypto assets. Coinbase technically owns the assets kept on its platform. Coinbase created its NFT marketplace in April to compete with OpenSea and make money from the rising NFT business since the company is structured to disclose client assets on its balance. The maneuver was interpreted as a clear challenge to the OpenSea. However, the first activity has been modest, putting his objectives at risk. The 5.8 million Coinbase users put their Bitcoin on exchange to earn a return on their investments. The corporation then introduced Cardano to his platform, which proved to be the finest choice ever made. Cardano has a high level of user activity. The same conclusion is replicated on the Coinbase platform, which has a high likelihood of adding additional items in the future. Coinbase user growth has been 75% compound annual growth over the last year, and the firm continues to thrive despite dropping crypto prices. Coinbase now has 98 million verified users. And because those customers who spend a lot of money on crypto expect the market values to rise, Coinbase will most certainly surpass the 100 million user threshold in 2022. While the stock price continues to fall, long-term investors have a fantastic chance to inquire about an industry leader with a rising user base at rock-bottom costs. However, consumers are what make fintech businesses like Coinbase important. As long as the user base grows, there is still hope. Of course, there are various more risk considerations to consider. The price of Cardano ADA soared to a 7-week high of $1.13 after it was revealed that it had been added to the Coinbase platform. Again, we want to make sure you understand what staking is all about. It is the process of actively participating in transaction validation on blockchains based on proof of stake. Unlike Bitcoin, which is secured by individuals committing a percentage of their crypto holdings to the network, POS blockchains are secured by people contributing a portion of their crypto holdings to the network. In exchange, they receive a portion of newly struck coins. Cardano's Coinbase action of integrating digital currency to his platform earned him the trust of crypto investors. The breadth of the news resulted in a 16.3% increase in ADHS pricing. Coinbase and Cardano's connection has shown to be mutualistic. Card downloads, other features, and new initiatives have the potential to soar, and Coinbase is performing quickly as its technology advances at a rapid pace. And it intends to compete with Ethereum by constructing a vast blockchain ecosystem. However, do share your thoughts on this in the comments area below. And, as usual, don't forget to click on the like button, subscribe button, and notification bell.